Bhaiya, how to get a job in IT industry? So you don't know what things to learn or what things to prepare to get a job in IT industry? No, Bhaiya, no. You need to prepare DSA and programming. Bhaiya, then from where to start or from where to learn? From where I will get all the resources? Okay, then I will be explaining from A to Z each and every topic one by one in this video. But before going to the video, please subscribe the channel. Subscribe the channel before starting the video. मम्मी जूते कहाँ है? वही रुक, तेरे को अभी समझ में आएगा. रुक तू रुक बेटा. Wait. I'm starting the video. Hello everyone. So today in this video I am going to tell you about what should be the right way to get a job in IT industry. So I will be explaining each and every topic one by one. So it will be a great learning experience for you. And one more thing, there is a bonus point at the end of the video. So don't miss that bonus point. So let's start with the video. First point is you need to learn one programming language. So now you may ask, in market there are a lot of programming languages available. Like there is C languages there, C++ languages there, Java is there, Python is there. So which language should I learn first? Okay. So when you will give any kind of interview, in general case there will be no barrier in language. You may give the exam in C, you may give in C++, Java, Python, in any language you may give. There are some like 1 to 2% of cases where the company will specifically tell you that you need to do this in Java or you need to do this in Python. But in most of the cases, more than 95% of the cases, you will get the option. And the company will not make any kind of barrier in this language skill. So you can learn any language of your choice and you can just practice your programming skill. Now if you in future if you want to go in competitive programming direction, at that time I will tell that C++ will be a better option, because in competitive programming field the crowd is using C++, so it will give you more advantage, because C++ is a very fast language than other language with all kind of object oriented features. So for competitive programming I will suggest that C++ will be a great suggestion. And if you want to choose a language that will be used in the future in the industry, at that time I will suggest learn Java, because till now Java is dominating the whole industry. So you can learn Java over there also, you can code in Java, but don't keep that kind of expectation that what you have learned in your college days you are going to work on that language itself, because in most of the cases, more than 95% of the cases, the company will be using some different modified version of any language or some very new language or kind of thing. But what you have learned in your college, it may be C, C++, Java or Python. In most of the cases, this language will not match. So you need to learn one language in your college, and then at the base of that language, you need to learn that programming language which are using in the company. Like in 1 to 2% of cases it may happen that the both language matches, so it is like you are a lucky person, but in most of the cases they will not match. So from there, don't think about the industry, just learn one programming language and practice on that. Now the next point is you need to learn data structure and algorithm. Now, if you are in computer science or electronics background, then you will get that subject in your curriculum, maybe in third semester, I guess. But if you are from any kind of core branches like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, so if you are from those branches, so you will not get that subject. But if you want to grab a job in the IT industry, at that time, data structure and algorithm is the most vital important chapter, because every question will be asked on the basis of data structure and algorithm. Every coding problem will be asked. So you need to learn this subject. This is not any kind of branch specific. If you want a job in IT industry, you need to learn data structure and algorithm. Now the next question is, from where should I learn this data structure and algorithm? Will I take any kind of offline coaching for that, or will I take any kind of online course for that? So here my suggestion is you will get a plenty of free tutorial, free material in YouTube. So why you are wasting your time in all those offline classes or online coaching center? So just you need to search on YouTube, you need to search on Google, and you will get all the tutorial over there. So don't waste your money over there to take any kind of online or offline thing. Now the next question is, which channel should I follow to learn this data structure and algorithm? So you can give any suggestion or idea. Okay, so here my answer is that everyone taste is different. Like what food I like, may not. So here your task is you need to just search that data structure and algorithm tutorial in that language which you have learned previously. It may be C, C++, Java, Python. That language you need to search data structure and algorithm tutorial, and then you need to see all those videos a little bit. Like can try 8 to 10 videos, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and just try to understand that in which video, in which teaching style is much more appropriate for you, and learn from that channel. There is not that kind of specific that you need to learn from this channel only, you need to this from this source only. No, not that kind of thing. You need to research by your own, and you will definitely get one resources which you like the most. So try to search for that resources for data structure and algorithm and learn this. So now the next task is you need to practice what you have learned. So you have already learned one language, you have already learned data structure and algorithm in that language. Now you are done. So you need to practice now. So from where to practice all those coding things? So there are a lot of platform available is there, like CodeSafe is there, Code Courses is there, Lead Code is there, HackerRank is there, Hacker Earth is there. You can practice anywhere. But here I will give you a suggestion that at that point of time you are not so much suitable with your language. So first you need to be familiar with the syntax of the language. To familiar with the syntax of the language, first I will suggest to go with HackerRank. Create an account in HackerRank, and there the easy level question are relatively very easy. So at that time it will help you to keep you motivated. So go there in HackerRank, create account over there, and try to solve all those easy questions on that language. So after getting 2 to 3 star or 4 star over there, that means you can now code in that language, or that language is very much comfortable to you. You can code at least. So after practicing in HackerRank and getting 3 to 4 star or 5 star, 6 star, you will switch to lead code to practice that DSA. Lead code is the best platform to practice DSA. In lead code, you will get a plenty of like a huge number of questions, and those questions are asked in the interview also. So you need to practice code in lead code. So try to first practice code in HackerRank and then switch to lead code. And if you want to go in competitive programming field in code safe code forces, you can attend any kind of contest over there. Now here I just want to give one suggestion to you, that when you are just appearing for any content, don't only think about the rating. So suppose your rating is going up and your performance in a contest is poor, so it will go down, and now you become demotivated that my score is going down, so I will not attend any kind of another further contest. So that should not be your mindset. Automatically it will go up, but it may go down. Like if you can think about any stock, then what it is happening, it is going up down, and in that up down direction it is going up ultimately. So here in competitive programming field, in code forces rating, it will also be the same like stock market. It will go up and again it will go down. How much pro coder you are, it will go down, and then again it will go up, it will go down. So don't just think that my rating is going down, I will not practice or I will not attend any kind of contest. So don't think that, just appear for the content. So practice from HackerRank, Lead Code, CodeSafe, Code Forces, any platform as you wish. So I have given my personal suggestion over there, and practice the code. Now the next task is you need to build some development kind of project. So you have done competitive programming a little bit. you have done data structure and algorithm, practice data structure and algorithm. Now you need to implement all those concepts over there in development. Ultimately at the end, when you will go in the company, there will be development kind of thing. Yes, the competitive programming or DSA concept will be used over there in development, but at the end they will do development. You need to be good at development. So to showcase your skill in that development, so you need to build some project. Now when you will just go in a very big project, at that time it will be very much difficult for you to manage everything. So here I just want to give you a one personal suggestion, that is first try to build a small project. Only you have done DSA. So now you may ask, what small project should I build or how to build this project? So go in YouTube, search some small projects, see some small project over there in that language, and eventually after learning all those or watching all those small projects, you will get an idea that how to at least build a project, and then build something very small project, very small thing, what in that language. And after building some small project, you can just jump into a big project, development kind of thing, and in your resume at least one to two big project is good. Like the company will think you have done DSA, you have done development, you are kind of all in one. So after just doing some small project, jump to some big project. Now that big project may be on web development, maybe on Android development, maybe in any technology what you have learned before. So just jump in big project and try to do something. And in that big project, you need to consider some points. Like when the interviewer will ask in the interview what you have done in that project, don't copy paste from the internet. You need to tell that I have done this. You need to be prepared with all those questions, that why you choose this project, because this is already available in market. What modification you have done? What is the uniqueness of your project? Why you use that technology? What problem you have faced over there in when you are building that project? This kind of question you may get in the interview. So be prepared with that when you are explaining your project in the interview. So be prepared for explaining that answer when you are doing that project. So try to build at least two to three development kind of big project, and before building those big projects, try to build some small project which will give you an idea that how to at least build a project. So do some development. So after following all these steps, you are totally ready for an interview. So now your next task is you need to create a good presentable resume and you need to apply over there. So now the question is that how to make a good presentable resume. So you can use any kind of template over there. I will make a separate video on that topic. And now you need to apply over there. Now your question may be that in how many company I will apply. So here the answer is apply as many company as possible. So here I am giving you an example. If you apply on 100 company, then the HR will get back to you from 30 company, and from that 30 company you will get the text link from 20 company, you will crack the text link of 10 company, you will get the interview call of 10 company, and from the 10 interview you will get 3 to 4 offer. So that means from 100 application you got 3 to 4 offers. So this is the ratio. Now you may argue with me that from 100 application I may got 60 to 70 offers. Yes, it is possible. It is possible for someone case, but I am taking average. In average, from 100 application you may got 3 to 4 offers. So try to just take this as the worst case time complexity. Now what is the learning of this story? You need to keep applying. You can approach to any HR over there in social media. You can send some cool mail to them. You can send some personalized message to them. Just keep applying and try to look for opportunity, because the opportunity will not come to you. You need to go to that opportunity. So try to apply in every single possible position which is suitable for your job role. So are you excited for the bonus point? So let's start. You need to create your own account over there over LinkedIn. So we all are familiar about Facebook. In Facebook we also build connection, we also make friends over there. In LinkedIn we generally build connection. Every company's HR, higher authorities, CEOs, managers, and every possible position is there. Every person is there over there in LinkedIn. So here, first you need to build connection with them. You need to talk to them. You will get a lot of plenty of knowledge from them. You need to talk to them. Here is also the same condition. If you want to try to talk with 100%, at that time 20 will come back to you. But yeah, 20 will come back to you. That means it's your game. So try to talk with all those industry experts. And here, after building a good network over there over LinkedIn, you will get all kind of job update also over there. Because there will you will get a lot of connection who will be sharing job update over there. So you will get about the vacancy, you will know about all the vacancy in the company over there in LinkedIn. And sometimes the HR will directly approach you that I have seen your profile suitable for this position. We have this vacancy. Are you interested for this? So you can send me the resume. So this will help you. So try to build a good LinkedIn profile and try to update your profile. Try to build the network over there in LinkedIn. It will at the end it will help you. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video and you get a lot of knowledge from this video. And if you like the video, please like it. If you have any problem, please comment out your problem, or you can reach out to me directly over there in LinkedIn. And if you are not my subscriber and you want to see this space again and again, please do subscribe, because this will inspire me to make more and more videos. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye for this time.